In this video, I'll share a little bit about our new improvements to our RSS component. Here I just took a simple feed, dropped it into 300 by 250, pulled in the TechCrunch RSS, and I'm going to display content that includes the title, content, and date. Now is where I'm going to adjust with our new margin tools, the left and right margins. I'm going to make them a little bit bigger. And I'm not going to actually get rid of the scroll bar because I want to be able to scroll through this content because the feed actually includes quite a bit of content. Moving down in the settings, I'm going to make some adjustments to the background colors, and you can see that here I've got an alternating color between that light gray and white. I'm going to make that light gray just a little bit darker so you can see a little more contrast between the rows. I'm not going to change the highlight. I will change the divider to a dotted line to make it a little more subtle. As before, you have extensive font control. You can change your size of the titles, of the content, of the date. You can also go in and change the color of the title, content. In this example, I'm just making the titles a little bit darker. I'm gonna actually not make that change. Here's an interesting new feature, which is that you can show thumbnails from the feed. So in the TechCrunch feed, you're seeing the thumbnails show up on the left. And you can change the size of these thumbnails, so the width and height of the thumbnails. And then there's also margin control here, so you can set the top and right margins on the thumbnails. If you had a podcast in your RSS feed, you could include your audio or not. Let's take a quick look to see what this looks like in the preview mode. As you can see, our formatted feed with our thumbnails on the left, it looks pretty good. And our scroll bar allows us to move through the content. I'm going to drop the thumbnails out just to give you a sense of what that looks like. Just resize it a little bit, and here we can see our reformatted RSS feed. Very easy to read. So thanks for checking this out, and I look forward to having you in the builder using our new RSS component.